Hi everyone, Marcus here from MSP, and if you love tech and if you love discounts, this is the place for you. And today, like you can see, I'm on the MSX high speed, and I was going to do the normal unboxing that you are used to see on the channel, but when I was unboxing, I was not so happy about it. I wanted to give a second opportunity to give you my first thoughts after riding with the MSP. The speed on this demon is simply amazing because they had a massive delay on their production line. My distributor had to send me the wheel directly through Gotway. Anyway, my e-wheel, thank you very much, to solve the issue. What happened is the box don't have any protection on the top, and people say on my other video like, you should open a beauty channel, because I was complaining, or in this case I was saying that the box on the V11 was really good, but in the end of the day, it's a lot of money that you are investing. What happened is my charger was completely damaged, completely smashed, and for sure I'm showing you some photos. After that, obviously you are affected. On a Gotway product, you can't really expect nothing more than performance, and this wheel is like, look to this. My god, this is so powerful, man. This wheel is super reliable. But anyway, so the details, I was not really convinced. The front light, I can tell you, because until now I just ride a bit during the night, but it seems really high, and I'm going to blind a lot of persons, in my opinion. That have also an advantage, because when you go uphill, your light is going to continue to point up. One of the things that I felt, for example, with the V11 is that the light, when you go uphill, is not really pointing in front of you. It's pointing more to the floor. You need to slow down, and when you slow down, the light points a little bit higher and you can go. You guys was complaining, or I saw many persons complaining about the pedals angle. Man, is perfect. They don't have any problems to open and close. The handle on the other side, forget it, it's simply horrible. It's really bad. So the worst trolley handle that I had until today was on the Z10, and I continue to think is simply terrible, because you just have one accident and your trolley handle is gone. In this case, at least the trolley handle is protected because it's inside the body of this wheel. Because of the position, because it's just in the back, the trolley handle have to handle in the front all the weight of the MSP, and it's quite flimsy. Not really convinced about the trolley handle. Something more, the app, the worst app that I tried. If you install the EUC World, you should be alright. Another thing that I just noticed, because I'm used to King Songs and Segway and InMotion, and I really don't like on the MSP, is not having a way to double check really fast how much battery I have. So for that, you always need your phone. Many times I go out of the house and without even a phone. That become more problematic, you know. I was riding yesterday super fast. Obviously this is a 1800 watt hours, but believe me, because you can go so much faster, you really press hard your wheel. My god, I love the speed, man. Besides that, another thing about the pedals, those rubbers, they don't take any grip. I feel really grippy on the MSP. The pads on the sides, they are really thin, like I said on the unboxing. That's why I see a lot of persons using power pads. I really hate power pads because I like my riding style. I like to feel my legs completely free. So when I tried power pads, obviously it helps you to accelerate. Whoa, that thing is so dangerous. The pedals are super comfortable, man. This wheel, don't think that the wheel is like riding like the V11, for example, that is really easy to handle, or for example even the King Song 16X. What I felt with this is it takes you a while to really control the wheel. It's like a Z10 in a certain way. You have a lot of wobbles. You need to use all your body to definitely curve and do stuff. So that's why I always see the guys on New York, when they are on their MSP, they use all the body, and it seems they are like dancing. Yesterday I ride for 40 kilometers and I was really doing the same. So I started doing the same, and I was like, okay, now it starts to make sense, because I start feeling that even just pointing with my shoulder, things that I do with other wheels, on this one is even more responsive. For who I normally recommend something like this? Someone with a heavy weight, definitely, maybe not the high torque, but go to the high torque and not to the high speed. Man, this is simply insane. That for my weight, I don't need more torque, man. This is super responsive. Obviously, you need to put all your weight in front, but man, this wheel is insane. Sorry, guys. Thank you. No problem. People are really friendly. But yeah, this is uphill, and the wheel just goes and goes and goes. It's so fast, man. Obviously 50-55 kilometers per hour is already a lot of fun, but having this type of power on beneath your legs. The MSP is not so exciting in the beginning, but after that you ride just for a bit, man, it's so powerful, man. And when we talk about the plastics, I thought that it was more flimsy on the side. The speakers, man, they are not loud enough. The speakers on the 16X, they are much better. I don't know why they don't come with a mudguard. If we all say that their shell is so fragile, why they don't do a better investment on the shell? Do I recommend or not? If you want power, man, this is simply insane. Obviously, when you choose Gotway, you need to tick out a lot of boxes that I'm not sure if I can trade. So if it was my only wheel, if I could trade, for example, the waterproof resistance on the MSP is definitely not one of the best, and you need to do stuff that maybe your wheel will not look as you wanted, because I really like the look of it, like it comes outside of the box. This was my review of it. I'm just going to see if my friend arrived. Let me just double check my phone. But yeah, I'm already here waiting for him. See you in a bit.